dudes and dudettes. We're not done. What we thought we had finished and what we have done so far was getting my Harley back on the road. That didn't seem to go as planned. Riding down the road, all I hear is a little bit of grinding noise coming from the primary case. And now we're going to find out exactly what that is. Stick around and see what the RBM crew encounters when opening up the primary. Let's get to work. There I got a couple of guys trying to get my Harley up on the...
I'm not trying, I'm just...
Yeah, he's just standing there.
Being a useful idiot.
There's a wall of smell right about here. That man right there. Right, so we ran into a little problem, like I said earlier, that there's a little grinding noise coming out from the primary case. Listening for it, find out what it was, and it seems to be coming out of the clutch hub. So what we're guessing is...
clutch hub bearing.
The clutch hub bearing. And that's what we're going to replace. This is the open one, but we got the upgrade and it's completely closed. So we'll show you in a second what that is. So when removing the primary clutch hub and the chain, we have to move everything off. That means we have to take off the primary cover. We have to take off the footrest and back footrest. That's going to be fun to do. We'll take off the chain, primary chain, the compensator sprocket, which is what we first thought it was. All right, to drain the oil, primary oil, you have to take a T40 and let it pop out. Let it flow out of that.
All right.
That's already blackened.
And we've got a lot of debris still.
Yep. Something's not right in there.
Quite a lot still.
So it's a good thing we're taking it apart. So I hope we didn't do anything wrong. I hope it's just something that we might have... Oh yeah, we did something wrong. We missed it. Something. Find out what it is.
It was a decision not to change the bearing, so...
Just that one, eh? We did the other one.
Yeah. We decided not to do this one.
No, if that's just that one, then we're okay. That's why the magnet didn't grab it.
Copper magnets.
Yeah. We got it all done with Loctite, so what we're going to do is we're going to heat it up a little bit, and hopefully the heat gun's hot enough. It should be, because it's a paint stripper, so it should be hot enough. Don't use an open flame because there's oil and stuff like that. You never know what's going to happen. Knowing us, it'll probably, the whole fucking thing will catch on fire.
That's right-hand thread wire, so righty-tighty is gonna be righty-loosey now.
Okay, so now that we know that Mr. M's girlfriend's original name, Aya, is actually translated Anushka, we're going to call her Alan from now on. Obviously, to take the whole thing apart, you have to remove the chain thing. 2 screws, Phillips, number 3. Am I correct?
Yes, you are. No. The old, this bearing fell apart.
Yeah, it's
The bearing failed.
Oh, how the hell?
I don't know.
How is that possible?
I have no fucking clue. This whole assembly failed.
So apparently, something was seriously wrong. Brand new bearing in there, and something totally screwed it up. Okay, so we found the problem. It's the bearing. Brand new bearing. Fucked up. Don't know why. And now we just ordered another one online. And we're going to wait till it comes in. Have Mr. B push in another one with a press, and then try it again. See what happens. Something's got to be wrong. Hopefully it was just a really bad bearing. Not going to worry about it further, but so we're going to take the rest of the stuff apart. But there's one little thing. We got this porny, what do you call him?
A porn leprechaun.
A porn leprechaun. There's a porn leprechaun in the house. Mr. C, the porn leprechaun, has come to visit us. And an old buddy of mine, 25 years, finally got another bike after years of not having one. So we went to go pick it up, and I got a speeding ticket doing it. That's always a big shooting those things off. Little pen, pull it out. Mr. C, grab a half inch, help out. Half inch or there? Half inch is over there.
Where?
Right there, right? Yep. Oh, yeah.
Oh, here.
No. Oh, also. Here. Remove these. Just loosen it up. Our little porn dwarf over there, he's
Organizing the next.
organizing the next.
Turn around and bend over.
Woohoo! Careful, I might enjoy it. It's incredible. This guy doesn't want to go outside in the dark, he says. It's bullshit. Anyways, so what's happening here is we got Mr. M working on the starter motor on that side. We got Mr. B pulling off a whole primary, and it's taking two bolts.
No,
It's taking him ages to get two bolts
The
loose.
tools were. Oh, wait.
Oh, he's always blaming something else. Always somebody else's fault.
It's a poor worksman who blames his tools.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Now he's complaining again because I put my hard case on the garbage and he can't get to the garbage. Hey, Mr. C.
Yeah.
What? Tell all the dudes and dudettes out there what kind of motorcycle you just bought a couple of weeks ago.
Honda Deville MP650V.
Nice bike. I went to go pick it up with him. Went to a friend of his, bass player, because this guy's a drummer. He got me into drumming. He's a phenomenal drummer. So we picked up the DeVille. What is that with you? Nipples on men? I don't know. Anyway, so we picked up his DeVille. The thing's in mint condition. Beautiful bike for a real decent price. So if you want to start off with a nice, comfortable motorcycle, a DeVille is the way to go.
Yep.
Unless you're a real man, then you buy a Harley. It's a lot of work for one frickin' bearing.
Oh, they're almost there.
But they're almost there. Mr. B is going to take it to a shop where they have a press, which is what we're going to get eventually. As soon as we find some room, we're going to clean up this shed and get the essential tools that we need, like a press, so we don't have to wait another 4 or 5 days. You want to get taken apart, don't you?
What's that?
Friction. Sorry, metal plate. Clutch plate. Now we take first this one out.
First we have to take that one out.
Press this one out. Press this one out, the inner side. That's making some noise. Then take this one out and press the bearing to the outside. So this way.
Yep, comes out this way. There you have it, folks. That's all we can do for today. We got everything taken apart, and now Mr. B is going to take his stuff to the AGO Vlaardingen. It's a car parts shop to press the bearings out, and then get the new bearings put in. So next time, try it yourself, but ask a professional to do it. As you see, something went wrong. We haven't got a clue. So stay tuned for the next episode of RBM Repair Crew and our little porno munchkin there. See you guys later.